see, I did get it glued. I got that video I will be coming back to you with. There's a light on here, people. I've been working on it a little bit. Yeah, I'm working on it just a touch. Let's see what I'm going to do to it. I'm going to release this video. It's not another one. Actually, it's 12 o'clock. But I'll be, yeah, look at that. What the heck that blade did that for? It's a brand new blade that did that too. Can you believe that? It's one of them spiders. I tell you what, I like them spider blades now. I've I've done a lot of rough framing and all that with them and finish. But finish carpentry, but them spider blades are pretty dang good, man. I can't find I can't get Diablo and fruit and stuff out here. We don't have them here. I live in the boondocks. Pretty much, might as well say 16 years behind everybody else, if you know what I mean, here, which I am going to Ohio here in a couple of days. And I'll probably pick one up while I'm there, but I ordered some. I like fruit and Diablo. But I like Spider too. Spider's a good blade. If you ain't never had one or tried one or used one, they're pretty good and they're pretty daggone durable. Do not flip them around backwards and cut 10. I can tell you that because they will rip them to pieces. If you don't cut 10, get a penning blade. Or actually get, nips, whatever. Proper equipment, proper tools for the proper job, right? Is that what we say? You got to have the proper tool for the job. But, yeah, it's all worked out. What do y'all think? Come on, man. Let me know. Seriously, I want y'all's opinion. Do you think it's turning out all right? I mean, or did I butcher it? Did I do a really bad job? I mean, I still got, wait till you see what I'm going to do to this thing. I still got to do the juice screw. Still got to put the feet on the bottom of it. I'm thinking, I want you all's opinion. You need to hurry up and tell me, seriously. I need some people's opinion. This is pretty big. I'm thinking I may have to put 6 feet on the bottom of this thing instead of just 4 because, these smaller ones, I had to redo this one a little bit. But these smaller ones, you only put 4 on, your 18 inches and stuff like that. And that's heavy. This is only 1.25 inches. That's wax, so don't worry about that. I had to wax it up so I could do a touch-up. I had to do repair. This was wood that I was going to throw away. It's from the floor downstairs in my hall that had got flooded and went and took care of. So I was going to burn it, and that's when I was like, oh man, I hate to do that. So I made a cutting board, and I call this a cutting board. That's a butcher block over there. This is a cutting board. That's a block. But yeah, I had to redo a repair right here with some glue and sawdust. I don't care. Don't bother me none. I don't care. It'll look like a little spot right there. Now that's not a repair. Those are just, I don't know, that's in the wood. But it will match them, so I don't care. But no, I'm thinking 6, right? I mean, let me know. And if you notice, I do not ask. I can't stand it. I can't stand it when I get onto a video and that's all you hear is subscribe, hit that button, hit that like button, subscribe. I can't stand that. So I leave that up to you all. It's your decision, not mine. If you like it, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe. If not, I don't care. That's up to you. But I would like it if you would, I don't know because this is literally seriously my first one at this size. I'm thinking if I only put 4 on it, and you go and push an enormous amount of weight on this thing, especially you get, you know, a 40-pound slab of meat, 60-pound slab of meat on this. I mean, it should hold it, but I'm just thinking that it would, you know, support. I mean, common sense. Well, I mean, if you're a builder or something like that, it's a common sense situation. Like, yeah, stability. I know I'm not going to leave it sitting just flat without any feet, because this is a big piece and it will definitely hold the moisture if it gets wet and you lay it down on a countertop and it's not setting up. I think I'm going to make him a stand for it though, to where it'll lean up against the wall for him or whatever. You know, just like you see pictures, you know. They got them little wooden stands that kind of like fold out, but I'll actually just do, it ain't going to be a fold out, but I mean, it'll look good. I've got some extra maple that I did not use that's just got a lot of the wormhole. And that's another thing. I still got to go over. I got to go back over some of the wormhole. I like the wormhole. Now people's like, oh my God, there's going to get bacteria in there. Going to get bacteria in there. It's like, what? Dude, by the time it gets all of the stuff I put in, there ain't gonna be nothing's getting in it. I mean, if that's the case, you know, you're gonna want to cry about bacteria. Then you got all the seams, you got all the grains. I don't want to hear that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just let me know if you think I butchered it. I think it's turned out all right. I don't have much longer to go on it. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do something to it that you do not see done on a butcher block unless you're paying $5,000 for one. But I am doing it to this one. I'll probably do it to pretty much all of mine from here on out, unless it's below 1 3/4, which I really do not want to make an end grain again under 1 3/4, because that's just, it really needs to be 1 3/4 an end grain. Just your regular ones, yeah, that's fine. But really, because like that one over there I showed you, you know, that one right there ended up being 1 1/4. I wanted it to be at least 1 1/2 inches, but I had so much I had to do to it. It ended up being 1 1/4 inches. That's chamfered on the bottom, and they don't have no feet on it yet either. So it's 1 1/4 inches. That one, that butcher block is 2 1/4 inches. So it's pretty thick. It's good size. Good size. Let me know what you think. Come on, man. Should I put 6 feet on it? I'm thinking at least 6. I kind of would like to have had some. I'm gonna look. I might be able to find them some feet that are like, say, 2 inches in diameter that touches base. You know, your countertop. If I can find something like that, I'll invest in getting them for these bigger ones like this. Because then, at least, you know, if it's 2 inches on countertop and it's got the taper, so it should be like 2 3/4, maybe even 3 inch that's mounted to the block itself. So I think that would, you know, help a lot. But yeah, come on, help me out, man. I got to get this done tomorrow, so please help me out.